Ever wonder why some people manage money better than others? It's not just about income. It's about the psychology behind money. Hi. The way you think and feel about money influences every financial decision you make. Understanding your money mindset can help you build better habits and grow your wealth. Most of our money beliefs come from childhood and the people around us. Whether money feels like a source of stress or security depends on what we learned early on. Fear, greed, and even shame can influence how we spend or save. For example, fear might make you avoid investing, while greed could push risky bets. People with a scarcity mindset believe money is limited and hold on tightly. Those with an abundance mindset see opportunities and are more willing to invest and take calculated risks. To change your money story, reflect on your beliefs, practice gratitude for what you have, set realistic goals, educate yourself about money. Your mindset shapes your money story. Start becoming aware of your money psychology today, and watch your financial life transform. Like and subscribe for more insights into money and mindset.